So next, we put in this spacer, of course stainless steel up. That sleeves down in behind what is going to be your acrylic. Now we'll take the acrylic panel, what we'll do is start one side. Reach in a bit more. Make sure you get that curve. Okay, it is going to scrape a little bit, and of course we're assembling this laying down. You won't need this spacer, but this is just foam to prevent it from scratching the other surface. And basically, this slides down and fits so that this silver is all you see, and that bottom space you won't see any scratches or anything like that. This will sit off without the foam, just as so, and you're pretty much done by this point.